In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 winning products you can sell right now to make more than $10,000 every single month with Shopify Dropshipping. Let's find out. Hey, what is up? As part of our Monday winning product series, in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 products that are selling like crazy out there on a lot of Shopify stores, why they sell, and the perfect Facebook ads targeting that you need for each and every single one of those products. Also, you wanna make sure that you watch until the end because I am revealing other products throughout the video apart from those 3, so you wanna make sure that you watch the whole video to learn about all the products and potentially make a lot more money. Before we start, I wanna invite you to the free and live training this Thursday, the Ecom Secrets 10,000 per month on Shopify Blueprint, where I'm gonna teach you exactly the strategies that I teach my mentoring students that pay a lot of money to be part of my mentoring program and be mentored by me. I'm gonna teach you their strategies for free in this live training on Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern Time US, 12 p.m. Pacific Time, 9 p.m. night in Europe. So you wanna make sure that you click the first thing in the description, hit reminder, set a reminder for that training so you get notified when we go live and you can ask me any questions there. I'll be screen sharing and showing all the methods and literally all the things that I'm teaching them. I'll be showing them for free, so you wanna make sure that you're there on Thursday. So the first product that I wanna show you is this easy furniture lifter tool, this little cool gadget. Let's play the video right here. You can move your furniture very easily across all your home, and we can see it has 1.2 million views in just 3 weeks, which is pretty crazy. And you can see here, this is the best furniture moving tool, etc., etc. Let's go to the actual store and see how they're doing. $39.99. I really don't like the layout of the store and the colors. It's a little bit weird. So if this product is selling really well for them and it has that many views, you can just take this product and sell it with a better looking website and absolutely crush it with it. They have some good reviews on here, but we're gonna look at the reasons why this product is good. So first of all, it solves a massive problem which almost everybody suffers with, right? So moving furniture around the house is a problem that I've experienced with, my parents have experienced with, literally everybody has experience with, whether you own a home or an apartment or renting or moving, whatever it is. So it's a universal problem and it's a massive problem both for health, because you can break your back doing it, you can potentially harm yourself, or it's just really bad. It's just really annoying to have to move furniture and have to pull, and people that aren't that strong, it's really hard to do that. So you can take advantage of that problem, provide a solution, which is this tool, this gadget, and then solve that problem and sell them that solution. For targeting, I would do either furniture brands like IKEA, or what you wanna do is type in on Google, what are the top furniture brands in the country where you're planning to target. So in this case, we're gonna target the United States, and I looked up best furniture brands, and we can see here there's a list of more than 40 furniture brands, so we can actually type in on Facebook and see if they're an interest, and we can potentially target, as well as people interested in home buying, mortgage, moving, anything that has to do with either renting, leasing an apartment, leasing a home, because that means they're either moving out or moving in to a home, and this tool is absolutely perfect for that. And the angles is the first one. Moving is very, very expensive, and especially moving stuff around the house, extremely expensive. So you want to take advantage of that and make that angle of the not as expensive as to hire a mover. You can do it yourself with this tool. And the second angle that you want to use is save your body from injury, prevent any injuries like your back breaking from moving stuff around. It's really hard to do it, so this is the solution. For that, definitely suggest you start promoting this product. Now, the second product that I found is not one that I found through a Facebook ad or through a dropshipper. It's actually one that I found on Indiegogo, which is a crowdfunding website, crowdfunding platform. And as you can see, this little wicked ball, this pet toy, has more than $200,000 funded through this platform. They've made almost $250,000 from selling a toy, which you can see by the video here. It's a little toy that moves around the house and helps your pet kind of spend the time when he's alone without you having to play with the toy. So it's actually a really cool product, and it's made here and over there in Australia. So it's a smart ball to keep your pet happy all day long. You can see they have, it's really high price, honestly. Like $34 for a pet toy is pretty high. And the campaign, you can check the link down in the description to see more of the campaign. You can see here it moves alone, and the pet kind of plays with it. It moves alone, da-da-da. So it made almost $250,000, and we can check on AliExpress, and here you can see some variations of it. Obviously, this is a custom product, a private label product. We can't literally sell that, but we can sell variations of it and pretty much piggyback off of that trend that's happening on Indiegogo, Kickstarter, etc., and piggyback off it with AliExpress products. We can see them here. There's a bunch of them. If you type in moving pet toy, there's a lot, or auto pet toy, you can find a lot of them here. And as far as the reasons why they sell, it's a huge crowdfunding success, which is gonna create a piggyback effect. Just like what happened with the anti-theft backpack, if you remember that, back like 3 years ago, that was a Kickstarter campaign that made about $2 million and then became a huge AliExpress dropshipping product, and people made more than that, way more than $2 million with that product, just dropshipping it through AliExpress after it got that hype of that crowdfunding success. I predict the same with this product, and people are just gonna sell moving pet toys or automatic pet toys through their Shopify stores. As far as targeting, you can target pet food brands, Purina Dog Chow, Friskies, all those big brands. For pet food, you can type in pet food brands on your local country or where you're planning to target. I would also target large pet retail brands like Petco, PetSmart, Pet Barn. Those tend to do really well for my students in my mentoring program that are selling pet products. Those tend to do really well. And the last one, either target dog lovers or cat lovers, and then narrow down by either a large pet brand or a pet magazine. Something in that range tends to do really well. Also, the last thing is the low price point. So if we go to AliExpress and we find these, they're just $3, maybe even $1. Before we go on, I wanna let you know that every video I give out a free one-on-one consulting call with me to review your store, review your ads, your products, whatever it is. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel. I will be checking comment secrets down in the comments below. Like this video and you'll be entered in the competition, or every single video I give out to one winner. The winner of the past video is Metro Cats right here. Make sure to message me for your free one-on-one call. If you want to win a one-on-one call, all you have to do is subscribe, like the video, and comment secrets down below. And the third product that I want to show you is this full screen rear view car mirror. We can see here, it has a really nice touch screen here, and I'll show you a little bit of the video just so you understand what the product actually is. You can see all of, around your car, and it has a lot of features, really cool features like Google Maps and all of these gadgets that people buy for their car. You can see it has 667,000 views in just 2 weeks, which is pretty insane, and a lot of engagement on here, and people are commenting like, wow, this is awesome, amazing. It has a wow factor. And we're gonna go to the actual page right here on their website, and you can see if we check on similar web, I always suggest this to check trends and traffic on stores. We can check that in January they had 441 views, 0 views in December. That means that this is the product they're using to scale. This is why I love this tool. It lets you know, okay, maybe they have this winning product, but are they really making sales? Are they really scaling with it? They went from 400 visits to 128,000 visits, and now 163,000 visits with this one product. And now they're scaling the store potentially to millions of visits later on with this store. You can see the geos, US is the main one, and then social, it's all Facebook, right? This is where they're getting their traffic from that campaign. So as far as the reasons, it has a lot of tools to use. So when people buy a car, they have a lot of tools like Google Maps, maybe a navigation system, maybe some rear view mirror cameras, and this actually solves that whole problem, and it has all of those tools integrated into one. It solves the problem of having multiple gadgets, multiple softwares to use when you're driving. For targeting, I would either do navigation, GPS, Google Maps, Bing Maps. All of these are targeting options on Facebook, and then I would narrow them down by either a general or affordable car brand in the country where you're planning to target. So let's say that's US, I would do like Ford, Chevrolet, like brands that a lot of people use and that are affordable, and they're pretty much universal to that country. And the third thing is it has huge scaling potential, just like we saw on that store. They went from 0 to more than 100,000 visits a month, which translates probably to more than $100,000 every single month in revenue from a brand new store. And if you have a new store, maybe even a general store, this is a great product to sell that doesn't fit a particular niche, but you can scale really well with it and start making your first couple of $1,000. And just a special bonus, a fourth product that I want to show you, this little mini camera. You can see here, it's a tiny camera that you can put anywhere around your house, and it has more than 2.6 million views in 6 months and a lot of engagement on here. And we can check the actual store here, and let's see the store. $49.90. It has a pretty solid store right here, pretty well built with a Shoptimized team. So this is a store that you do want to focus on. Gadget Talks Runnerups.net. Very general store, and you can check their winning products and what they're doing with their store. With Salesforce, you can analyze the store like I talked about in my last video. Here we're gonna go into the actual graphing to their traffic on SimilarWeb, and we can see they're getting about 15,000, 16,000, 40,000, and then 23,000. So they're probably making 10 to 15 grand a month and potentially really killing it with this particular product. So the reasons why this product is selling, it has a huge wow factor. It's a mini camera, and a lot of people want to have cameras to record around their house or potentially record things without being noticed. So it has a wow factor, and it works with multiple angles. You can either do security around your home. You can either do like the cheating angle, right? Check if your spouse is cheating on you by using this. So it has a lot of multiple angles for targeting. I would do alarm and security brands like ATT is a huge security brand in the United States. This is probably the main reason why people are gonna use this product. So it's great to target for that, or furniture brands and magazines, because people that are homeowners tend to like furniture brands more than people that are not. And this is a product that you can potentially sell to a lot of homeowners. Last thing, it has a massive social proof, piggybacking off of a past trend, because this product was posted 5 months ago. You can piggyback off of that trend and still make a lot of sales. People are still interested. It's still running on a daily basis, so you can still sell a lot of units for this particular camera. And to finish it off, I promised that I would give you some extra products, some runner-ups here. We can see this crossbody bag, 890 and 69,000 views in about a month. Really good engagement. You can check all the links down in the description for these products. Second one is this little skating, huge security, or not really security, it's just to light up your whole body pretty much. It's like a hoodie slash full tracksuit, which lights up your whole body. I found it to be pretty cool. It has 261,000 views in just a week, which is pretty solid. Engagement is low, which probably means they bought views somehow, but it's still a cool product. And then the third one is the special submersible headphones with Bluetooth. They have a horrible video and they're still doing really well. It has more than 102,000 views about a month and really solid engagement here. So those are some runner-ups that I wanted to show you. So now that you know my winning products, what to do next, start promoting these products to stay ahead of your competition. If you're subscribed to this channel and you hit that notification bell, you will get every single Monday winning products that you can sell on your store, and you can potentially stay ahead of everybody else that's doing Shopify dropshipping. Subscribe for weekly product lists and value pack trainings. And as I said, check the first link down in the description for that 10,000 per month live training with me on Thursday. Before you go off, if you want to learn the exact strategy that I use to find products just like this one, check out the video right here. Check out that video, how I find $100,000 products in just 5 minutes. Check out that video and learn my exact strategy. Click it right here.